Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to mute someone on Instagram so that you can focus on what you're doing right now. The way to do that, you just need to open your Instagram application, and right after that you just need to go click this second sections here. There will be like 5 sections down here. Go click this one to search the account that you want to mute and just type the name of the account. So I am a big fan of this account or this celebrity, but then I need to focus like a little bit because I need to work focus or quickly. To mute this account, you just need to take a look on this part or in this side. There will be like following and message. Go click this following side, and there will be mute option on the third line. Go click it. Now you just need to decide what content that you want to mute from this account. Let's say this account really post story like too often, so that you will get the notifications of it, so you can just mute the stories. But then if this account like posting a lot of content in a day, so you just need to go click this post. Whenever you're done, you just need to go click this back, and you're done. So this account already muted. Whenever this account creating some stories or some content, you will not gonna get notification, or this content will not gonna show up into your Instagram feed. So that is the way how to mute someone on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.